If you're new to SoFi, here's a quick walkthrough of the SoFi mobile app to get you started. Once you log in, the home screen shows your account balances and recent activity clearly, making it easy to see where your money is at a glance. At the bottom, you'll find key tabs like Accounts, Move Money, Invest, Credit Score, and more. Under Accounts, you can view your checkings and savings balances, manage your SoFi Money account, and see upcoming bills or direct deposits. The Move Money tab lets you send or receive transfers quickly, set up direct deposit, or pay bills directly from the app. If you want to invest, the Invest tab gives you access to stocks, ETFs, and automated investing options, all integrated right inside the app. You can also check your credit score for free, and the app provides personalized tips to improve it over time. The More section includes settings, security options like biometric login and customer support access if you need help. SoFi's app is designed to be user friendly and all in one, perfect for managing your finances on the go. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment on what SoFi feature you want to learn more about.